Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, welcome to Emerald House of Cars. I'm your host Greg, and today I'm going to be showing you around this gorgeous Manhattan grey Audi A5 TFSI, which I think you're going to love. You've got your headlights, of course, you can see just there. You've also got your honeycomb on here, and you've got your front parking sensors and S-Line sports grille and bumper as well. You can see the grille, as I've mentioned, is chrome and soft satin in terms of the titanium grey, and you've got front parking sensors and a nice chrome down the bottom for the finish of the styling. You've also up here, of course, got your multi-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. Now these alloys are of course a 19-inch, and you can see they're titanium grey and chrome. You've got the updated S-Line badging on the wing with chrome, red and a bit of titanium grey. Extended side skirts as part of the S-Line package from factory. S-Line suspension, or the sport suspension, as it is giving it a lowered ride height. Coupe body style, so you've got the body coloured door handles, of course, no back doors, which means it looks even sleeker. And here you can see you've got your body coloured door mirrors with built-in indicator. Around this you've got gloss black A-pillar, chrome around the windows to give it that luxurious comfort and elegant feel, and you've also got tinted privacy glass as well. Up the top you've got gloss black, you've got your high level LED light. You come down and you've got that real nice deep grey finish again all the way across. Now moving around, what you can see on there is you've got your indicators. Now if I click the key, you can see they are of course the sweeping indicators, and you move all the way down and round, you can see that beautiful twin chrome exhaust with a honeycomb diffuser and satin grey with parking sensors. Now on one of the two keys I have just here, click the button twice, you can see that lifts up the rear boot lip. And what you can do in there, you see you've got a massive amount of space for storage of all needs and natures. Underneath there you've got further storage, and of course down here you've got your spec as well just there. To close the boot, it is a manual adjustment. Get it, close it down just like so. And all around, in terms of presentation, the car has been very well looked after by its previous owners. Again, A5s are usually those type of cars that do get very well looked after by the people, as they are usually enthusiast owners anyway. And they are of course the higher clientele who look after them and keep them regularly maintained just how we like them. Now in terms of interiors, this one has a very impressive spec, and we're about to go through it with you. You can see you've got the S branded laugh leather, half Alcantara. You've got the fold down armrest just there, you can see. Really smart. Now what we are going to do on the dual seating is just fold this down. You can see you have of course got your little storage here as your armrest, and this isn't of course a load through, this is a solid piece. Then you come in, you come round and down, and you come in to the front. See, half Napa leather steering wheel, half perforated leather, gorgeous cabin layout. And then you come round to the front seat, to the sport seats, S branded Alcantara leather, white contrast stitching, and of course you've got your adjustable leg extender just here, and you've got electronic lumbar support, and you've got your manual adjustment on your seating here. Moving down and round, you've got your S-Line door inlay just here, stainless steel pedals, official Audi matting as well, the rubber mats, and you can see you've got the brushed aluminium trim, Alcantara, and you've got black leather along with the electric heated adjustable folding mirrors, electric windows, and of course down here you've got remote boot release as well. Moving across in here, after I've shut my hand in the door, you can see you've got auto light, front fog lights, you've got rear lighting, rain lighting, and of course instrument cluster lighting as well. Satin black, and that goes along with a brushed aluminium trim all the way across the cabin into the secondary door card. Now In terms of display, these, we don't need them to turn the car on. All we need is this. Click the button once, that'll initialise it, that'll get everything started. You can see the oil service is due, which we are going to do in due course as soon as this video is done in our on-site RAC approved facility, along with putting fuel in. Foot on the brake, press the button, turn it on. You can see now everything's warm, everything's fine, no issues, no hesitation, no warning lights, and no problem. The only light on there is the electronic parking brake, which is just here. Now, displays, let's talk virtual cockpit. Class leading, brand defining, fantastic way of showing navigation in a place where it matters most, right ahead of you. Really easy to change. You've got the different options here. Click the button once, you can see it changes on the view just there. You can change it so it maximizes your clocks, or it makes them smaller and expands the navigation. Now what else you can do on there, of course, is scroll across. You can see you've got your date, your time, you've got your consumption figures, your short-term and long-term memory, energy consumers, driver assist. You've also got your different warnings if there's anything there, your DAB radio stations, your Bluetooth telephone, and again, your virtual cockpit just there. To use that again, it's a left-hand option. Now behind here, what you can see, if you click the button, your auto high beam will illuminate just here. You've got your indicators, which on this Audi works, so that must be a very expensive optional extra. And you've also got your auto wipers as well. Steering wheel, big crucial component, Napa leather, perforated textured leather on the grip area. It's a light Nimble steering wheel, quite thin, feels like your little go-kart. Concave base, piano gloss black and chrome, S-line badging, and on this side voice control. Of course you've got your volume control, you've got your specialist button, which is designed on this one to do the drive select, which is the perfect option. Volume control as well, and you've got paddle shift on the back of the wheel. And then we come across to the media system, which is controlled by this little gizmo here. You can see first off you've got your big open navigation, high contrast, high resolution. Go on car, you can see you've got your drive select mode, you've got your vehicle settings, date and time. You can change your function of the steering wheel button. You've got your exterior lighting options, you've got your background lighting options. You can see you've got a multicolour function just here. Now for us, I'm going to have it white, red, blue, individual, or Audi drive select. We think individual would be good. And on there you can see you can change the brightness of all the different options. For some reason, the previous owners turned ambient lighting off. That is not something we like. And here you can see you can have a multicolour option here. For us, it's only one colour, baby, and that is of course emerald green all the way throughout. And there you go, that is how you use your background lighting. Driver assist, you can see you can change your options on here. Parking aid, you've got efficiency assist, speed warning, pre-sense, rest recommendation, rain sensor. You've got your aircon, servicing and checks. Of course you can go on service intervals. You can see your oil change has been due for 2 days, which means we are of course going to have that done within the next couple of hours. You can go in your handbook, and if you go out of that menu, you've got your sound. No Bose, no Bang & Olufsen, just the standard Audi system on this one. You've also got your radio, which of course on here, Leica Gold. I've never known anyone listen to that, but life is full of surprises. FM, AM, DAB. You've also got your media options here. You can connect to your Bluetooth audio player, or you can go through the options here. You've got CD, DVD, SD card, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or WLAN as well, as people like to call it. You've also got your Bluetooth telephone options, navigation, map, Audi Connect, which you'll need to speak to your Audi dealer about being subscribed, as it is only from 3 years from manufacture. Smartphone interface, as it says here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You need a compatible smartphone, and you've got the settings button just there for the boring stuff such as date and time and units. For us, we're going to put the map on because it looks wicked. Moving down, signature long sweeping air vents, brushed aluminium, hazard lights, heated seats in 3 stages for both the driver and the passenger. You've got your dual zone aircon in the front, you've got your single zone aircon in the back, which is of course the tri-zone aircon. You can see, doesn't matter which dial you use, it changes the temperature all the same in the back. And then if you go up to 3 zone, that of course changes the one in the front. Heated front and rear screen, recirculation, turn it off. And then down here you've got your drive select options, auto start stop, traction control, audible parking sensors, and you can turn the media system off. Under there, you've got a very non-conformist 12-volt charger, which needs to be like that for the video. You've got a USB, push-button start, pen storage, brushed or grained aluminium there in black, which is quite a weird thing to say, but that's how I would describe it. Brushed aluminium trim surrounding that. Key holder, if you don't believe me. There you go, point proven, GXE knows what he's on about. Volume control, power, and different audio options. Touchpad, this oscillates, it rotates, and it's used as a device to use as a confirm button. Then you come down to the gorgeous and probably best in class Audi sports gearbox. Really comfortable, really good looking, and really, really practical. To use it, foot on the brake, click the button in, press it down, you can see you're in sport. Press it down again, you're in drive. See? Drive now, click it down, sport. Now there is another mode you can get into, push it to the left, don't worry, it's not broken. You can see now you're in manual mode, and you can change through the gears using either the gear lever or of course the paddle shift, subject to which you prefer. Great for sports driving and great for those cold, icy months when you need to be in control of the gear ratios. Put it in reverse, click the button, push it all the way up, you can see your front and rear parking sensors kick in as well. To finish off, auto hold just here, you've got electronic parking brake, sliding Napa leather armrest, lift that up, QI wireless charging, key sensor, key storage, auxiliary and secondary USB as well. So for me, in terms of a practical, spacious, great looking, well equipped and gorgeous designed Audi A5, they probably don't come better than this one. And what's even more reassuring about this is knowing that it has of course been treated to the 128 point Emerald check prior to retailing. Now what that means is that this car has been given a thorough cosmetic and mechanical inspection at our on-site RAC approved facility prior to this video being made. It's heading back there now to go and have its oil and filter service, so you can rest assured there's no maintenance required for the foreseeable future. And if you're looking at financing this, having part exchange, buying cash, or you want to check your eligibility for our click and deliver option, please get in touch with Tom or Victoria, our sales team, and they'll be more than happy to discuss any of the processes with you over the phone. Thank you from me very much for watching. We really appreciate your time, and you can catch us all over social media.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128 point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10.
10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the 11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10. I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%.
It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.